This is Sridevi Rao, and I'm involved in the company as the executive director of this product. I've been an educationist for the past 18 years, working here and overseas, getting involved in the pedagogy part of the product. We have tried to cater to the holistic development of the student. From the child's perspective, it is going to be a learning with a very fascinating experience. It's going to be a joyful ride for the child, and we are going to cater all the skills where a child could be nurtured, that is socially, emotionally, and his creativity and responding intellectually. So this is from the child's perspective. And from the parents' perspective, who is one more important stakeholder of all the schools, all the parents who are ambitious would like the child to have an overall development. Now, many of the parents have tried to shift their alignment from examination purists to the overall development of the children. And so we have tried to put in the elements of the content will cater to all the skills that a child has to acquire by the time he leaves the preschool. And for the schools, they're going to have a competitive advantage, having a new teaching or learning tool, which is going to be very, very effective. And definitely, there is a crisis of competent teachers in this industry, and this product is going to complement that scarcity. It is going to help the teacher to use the tool very effectively, where she can give a pause and pose some questions that are guided by the product itself, and to make her class very interactive and learning to be effective. And then the schools, definitely that is going to be their achievement if a child is developed holistically, that is an overall development. These are the pedagogy elements that are included in the product. Yes, the teachers will be given an orientation by our team of how to use the product, whether it is the hardware or the software, and how to make it very, very effective.